Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Moji Tech. Okay, today we'll be learning basic tags and colors. Okay, with no further ado, let's drag in our folder into the VS Code and maximize. Okay, so with the basic tags, the basic tag for building any website is so easy. Okay, let's get on index.html. From index.html, which will be rendering our HTML tags, then style.css for styling it. Okay, let's close our starter page. To our boilerplate, you already know our boilerplate: shift exclamation mark, that's the one on the keyboard. Then we have to link our HTML to our CSS with style.css, which is the same thing as style.css. So the default is style.css. You can name your style.css anything, but it must correlate with href. So we start our server, live server. We can be able to render our HTML on our browser. My browser is kind of slow to open, or yours can be fast depending on your system capacity. It's not a problem, so we have to wait a little bit for it. So number one on our special tag list is p tag, which is the paragraph tag, which is used to type very long text. P tag is used most of the time. Apart from div, I think p tag is the most used tag in HTML. Then the h1 is called the header tag. We open and it has a close tag. So let's put our h1 on the p tag. So h1 is the biggest and the boldest among the headers. The smaller the number, the bigger the text. h2, h3, h4, h5, the bigger the number, the smaller the text for header. We have h1 to h6. You can play around with h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. You can play around with it, but what you should put on your mind is h1 is the biggest, h2 is the smallest. That is, it goes from h1 biggest, h2 smaller than h1, like that. So the next tag is span tag. Span tag is also a tag which we use in HTML. So the difference between span tag and h1 and p tag is that what span tag is an inline element. You can see our KS logo and our U is on the same line because our span tag is an inline element. You can see when we wrote our h1 names, item, things, they all fall under each other in the vertical manner, because h1 and p tag, they are both block elements. So let's imagine we putting p tag in the middle of the span. Let's see what will happen. Can you guess before it's load on the browser? Yeah, it's going to break the span tag, because p tag is a block element and span tag is an inline element. So put that down somewhere, but you don't need to write anything down, because the more you use all these tags, the better you understand them. They are just like breathing air. You don't learn how to breathe air, you do it most of the time, so you know it automatically without learning it. You understand? So span tag is an inline element and the p tag is a what? Is a block element. h1 is a block element, then the div, then the icon. Now we are on the icon tag. The icon tag is an inline element too. Then the image tag, the img tag, IMB is used for image. I'm just talking about it. We are not using any images. Okay, what about the div tag? The div tag is one of the basic and the most crucial tag in HTML because it's a container which can contain anything. It can contain ordinary text, it can contain a p tag, it can contain h1 tag, it can contain image tag. It's a container because it's easy for you to model and assemble a div, because a div is a container than putting everything in p tag. So okay, let's style them. Let's talk about styling now. So star is for targeting everything, so we remove the margin and the padding, which is default that is there. You can see the rubber, everything moved. Okay, so now let's go for h1 color green. Color, when you say color, ordinary color, we use it for text. Then let's change the color of the p tag to. So when you use ordinary red, nothing will work until you press color. Then color will come automatically. Then you write the color red, which is the color name. You can see all the p tag change to red. Then the div color, so you have to put a colon, then the color name, then a semicolon. So now background color. Background color is used for giving the background a color. So there are two different things, color and background color. The BR tag, which is the break tag, is a block element. When you put a break tag, even if there's an inline element, the break tag is going to break them and bring them on a new line. That's like a block element. So let's comment that out. So color, gold is a color name, so gold is a color name. Then there's other called hexadecimal color, which starts with hash, ff, ffo, ff1, and others like that. There's hexadecimal color, which after you press the hash ff, you get the color. So the other color is RGB color, red, green, blue color, RGB color. So you can pick anyone to use, but I love using the RGB color most of the time. But anything that is convenient for you, you can just play around with the color, change the numbers. So change the numbers, you're going to get different colors. Just change the numbers and be creative. That's all you need, just creativity, that's all. And you can be able to do anything. Look at the colors change. Now the text color, so we have the color name, hexadecimal color, and the RGB color. So these are the three main colors that we have. Then the color and the background color. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please like and subscribe. Please comment below and let me know if this video was helpful. Your comments will go a very long way.